Hey guys, this is GK from TechPP.com coming in live from MWC 2018, and we are at the Sony booth now. And in my hands is the latest release from Sony, which is the Xperia XZ2. There's another variant as well, the compact, which we'll talk to you about, but this is the bigger phones of the two. And while much of the world is shooting for the very slim bezels, light phones, we still see a considerable amount of bezels going on the phone. This does have some sort of a premium look to it. Let's go around to see what this phone offers. So this is the Sony XZ2, the bigger variant of the two phones which have been released today. The other one is a compact, and this one is the XZ2 with the 5.7-inch Full HD Plus screen with a Gorilla Glass 5 protection coming on top of it. Though this is an 18:9 ratio screen, it doesn't really give that look because of the considerable amount of bezels on the top and bottom. And on the top and bottom, we also have the dual front firing speakers as well. Going around, we see the camera shutter button. We also have the power button, which we feel should have been slightly on the top with the natural inclination of the finger, and the volume rockers as well. On the top, we have the SIM tray and the microphone. There's nothing onto the left, and at the bottom we have the charging port, no audio jack. And turning onto the back, it has this glass finish to support the wireless charging and the fingerprint scanner, and this again we feel should have been slightly at the top. And then we have the 19-megapixel camera accompanied by the flash, and there's a 5-megapixel camera on the front as well. So there are some cool features coming with this that Sony spoke about. One is the dynamic vibration, which comes into play when you're watching movies, when you're streaming videos and gaming. Just like the way you can control the volume, you can also control the dynamic vibration for a very immersive experience, especially while gaming. So this is cool stuff. And this also comes with a 3D face animator. You can take selfies and create cool animations. We'll talk to you about that in a bit. So the Xperia XZ2 is powered by Qualcomm's latest 845 chipset with 4 GB RAM and 64 GB of internal memory. The phone that we are holding is silver or grayish. It also comes in many different colors like purple, black, blue as well. The Sony XZ2 also comes with a 3100 mAh battery that is supporting Qualcomm's 3.0 fast charging technology as well. So this is somewhat an interesting offering from Sony. While the look and feel and the design doesn't scream much of something different, the interiors, there has been some innovation going on, like the dynamic vibration and different other things. Stay tuned for more updates coming in live from MWC, and do hit the subscribe button, and don't forget the Mi Mix 2 giveaway, guys. May the tech be with you.